Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. An absolutely crazy day to think that at one point the price, gapped down and then just continued to fall and then came roaring back to life here. So, I mean, the markets as a whole were pretty crazy today too. But point here being, this is one of those charts where if you get motion sickness, you were probably throwing up all over the place because the price really was all over the place. First, I'm going to do is a little house cleaning here, just get rid of that line. Sure, that level pertains, just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's lines and clutter everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. First update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So $48 now the newest area of support. And I'd call that the ideal level, meaning if the price falls below there, does that mean it's the end of the world? No. But I would say it's very important in the sense of if the price were to come down here and then break down through it, well, at that point, you all of a sudden have the price right back to where it was in this range of the chart. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true strength. Whereas on the flip side, if the price were to come down here, behave in that manner, then start to work its way back upwards. At that point, you'd have a very beautiful situation of a set of lows there, these lows down there, and if you envision those as stair steps, well, hey, there you go. Now you got stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. So again, is 48 like absolute do or die? It's not, but yeah, if the price could stay above it, that would definitely be a great sign of power. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, now keep an eye on that pink line up there, which on my chart denotes the very famous 200 period moving average, and that value is currently right up there around $49.50. So great movement today, great comeback from where it was. So let's see if the price can build upon this momentum on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.